Love it or hate it, Halo Campaign Evolved is back at it with amazing new visuals, another remake, and I'm going to be showcasing it here on the TCL R84 32-inch QD Mini LED gaming monitor. I chose this cutscene right here at the beginning because look at all that flashing, all those colors, all that impact. This monitor has no problems showcasing an amazing picture. And you'll see by the cutscenes and the gameplay, you'll be immersed in 32 inches. The size with the 1,400 local dimming zones, over 1,000 nits in brightness, closer to 1500, the color impact, and the many HDR options that you can choose from to tailor the picture to the way you like it. We haven't checked out this game in a long time, so it's amazing to bring it back here on the channel. Halo, the origins of Xbox. I sure do love my Xbox. And this monitor pairs nicely with consoles from PlayStation 5, PlayStation 5 Pro to the Xbox Series S and X, even Xbox 360, and everything in between. You know what I'm talking about. This monitor has no problems showcasing any other 4K media streaming device or your PC. My best settings will be in the description below, so if you decide to buy this monitor, you can apply those settings and get the most out of this monitor for that impact, that color vibrancy, the wow factor. Subscribe if you want more POV videos just like this one on the TCL R84, R94, among other gaming monitors coming very soon here on the channel. I want to showcase these monitors in all their glory, the way they're meant to be showcased, with gameplay, because that's how we use these monitors. And as you can see, this monitor really shines through, is very impactful, and will please many. Consider becoming a YouTube member, as it helps the channel tremendously, and I'll have exclusive content of this TCL R84, R94, among other gaming monitors, and it truly helps the channel tremendously, and I would truly appreciate it. But like, share, comment, and hype this video, so more people can see it to help them make that awesome buying decision. Let's see how well the TCL R84 can handle Halo, and make this world come alive to your visual eyes. It's time to game on the TCL R84 32-inch QD Mini LED gaming monitor with Halo Campaign Evolved.
Intruders in Cryo 2!
Sam! Sam! Come on, we've got to get the hell out of here. This way.
Those are Covenant troops!
Behind us! They're right behind us!
What the?
Eat lead!
Shoot him!
Sir, the captain needs you on the bridge ASAP. Better follow me. Get clear, Chief! Follow me, sir. Captain Keyes is waiting for us, sir.
Captain Keyes?
Good to see you, Master Chief. Things aren't going well. Cortana did her best, but we never really had a chance.
A dozen Covenant superior battleships against a single Halcyon-class cruiser. With those odds, I'm content with 3. Make that 4 kills. Sleep well.
No thanks to your driving, yes.
So you did miss me.
Report!
It must be one of their boarding parties. I'd guess an antimatter charge.
Ma'am, fire control for the main cannon is offline.
Captain, the cannon was my last defensive option.
All right, then. I'm initiating Code Protocol Article 2. We're abandoning the Autumn. That means you too, Cortana.
While you do what? Go down with the ship?
In a manner of speaking. The object we found. I'm going to try to land the Autumn on it.
With all due respect, sir, this war has enough dead heroes.
I appreciate your concern, Cortana, but it's not up to me. The protocol is clear. Destruction or capture of a shipboard AI is absolutely unacceptable. And that means you're leaving ship. Lock in a selection of emergency landing zones. Upload them to my neural lace. Then sort yourself for a hard transfer.
Aye, aye, sir.
Which is where you come in, Chief. Get Cortana off this ship. Keep her safe from the enemy. If they capture her, they'll learn everything. Force deployment, weapons research. Earth.
I understand.
If all goes well, we'll rendezvous on the object's surface. And if it doesn't, make sure my daughter gets this.
The Autumn will continue evasive maneuvers until you initiate a landing sequence. Not that you'll listen, but I'd suggest letting my subroutines handle the final approach.
Excellent work, Cortana. Thank you. Are you ready?
Yank me. Your architecture isn't that much different from the Autumn's.
Don't get any funny ideas.
Good luck, Master Chief.
The Covenant have breached the command deck. We have to stop them from taking the bridge. I see him.
Over there! Keep firing! Keep firing!
Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best.
Sneak attack!
Contacts. Oh, making noise. Need a better angle.
Combat teams on deck 7 and 8.
What the hell? Did something just hit us? Move in! Back to the airlock!
Damage to the superstructure is extensive. I don't know how much more abuse the Autumn can take.
I'm in place. We clear? Area secure.
All combat personnel. Fall back to pursuing defensive position. Reserve combat teams on decks 5 through 9. Fall back to second. All hands, this is the captain. Ship. Combat team. Crew and ops personnel on decks 9 through 12.
Warning, blast door's closing. Covenant, on the landing above us.
They're here!
Victory, Temp! I have located the target.
I see one! Defend yourself!
The life pods are launching. We should hurry. The Covenant are destroying the life pods. They really don't want us on that ring. We have to use the ship's maintenance access ways. Follow the nav point. It will lead you to an opening. I'm detecting Covenant movement outside the access ways. My analysis suggests our exit will be behind a green-lit door. If you can get behind them, one melee hit to the back will neutralize most hostiles.
Save yourself!
Motion tracker shows all clear. It looks like the Covenant wanted to catch you napping.
The heretic evades divine justice. Taking fire from the faithless.
There's one last lifeboat. Quickly, get aboard before it launches.
All remaining combat teams, pull out and abandon ship. Good luck. Keys out.
Now would be a very good time to leave.
Punch it.
Ah, sir. We're disengaged. Going for minimum safe distance. We're gonna make it, aren't we, sir? I don't want to die out here.
Look.
What is that thing, Lieutenant? Hell if I know, but we're landing on it.
Autumn's accelerating. Keys is going in manual.
Heads up, everyone. This is it. We're entering the ring's atmosphere in 5.
You sure you wouldn't rather take a seat?
We'll be fine.